In this video I will show you how this beautiful stylus pen can be used on this phone, as I chose our glow color for Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This stylus pen is in blue color. First app that we can use with this beautiful blue pen is creating notes. We choose this option and we can now create a note. Writing with this pen is very easy, and the sound is interesting because it looks like you are writing on a real paper, and the sound of writing is also like you write on a real paper. So let's for example, a Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Then we can see all notes that we have or previously wrote. Then the next option is actually Smart Select. Smart Select is the option that comes together with screenshot with buttons. You can use these buttons to screenshot, but with the pen you can select only the part of the screen, actually. Not that part, but this part, for example. And then you can edit or share or do what you want with that. So so this option, Smart Select, is really fantastic. Then we can we have a screen write option, so we can write on any screen we want, and here we can notice that you can write different lines that depends on the pressure that you make on the phone. So for example, you can draw narrower lines, or you can write wider lines, and that depends on the pressure that you make on the phone. Next option is actually our live messages. This app is in my opinion the best option, as I like sending live messages. So you can choose to write something or draw something on photos that you have, or you can take a photo and then write something, or you can choose just color. I prefer this with just color, and you can choose whichever you want combination of colors. So let's start drawing. You select this option, start drawing, and then for example I will draw a heart and then say I love you. And then you can select if you are satisfied with what you draw and what you have written, then you choose the option done. You can now see what you have created, and then you can share this with anyone in your contacts. So let's select another option. Then there is option AR Doodly that you can select if you want to write a funny ad on your face when you're taking photos. And then there is Translate option that is very useful. I choose Spanish to English. And then, for example, when you open some newspapers or some other text in Spanish, you can easily translate words in English, and you do not have to select that word with pen. Just from this distance you can see that, for example, this word means come, or this word means advanced, or this word means shipwrecked, and so on. You can select many languages, and this option of translation is actually based on Google Translate. And finally we have a pen up option that actually allow us to create with this pen, so we can do coloring of these options. We can watch live drawings, so we can learn to draw, or we can take part in challenges. For example, we can draw with this anything that we want. Thank you for watching. Keep track for more videos soon. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe down below.